Good morning, everybody. Today we're at Flea's. This is Cloverdale, Oregon, Sand Lake. There's a lot of Jeeps here. It's an event for 4x4 Jeeps, side-by-sides, Toyotas, anything along those kind of lines. We'll kind of give you a look around here and you can see some of the rigs. The tent, everyone's getting set up, getting their registration done. Here's some of the different vehicles that we have out here so far. As the day goes on, I'll try to get some more clips and we'll see how it goes.
Got it.
All right, we're currently coming up onto our first checkpoint, checkpoint number 1. We'll have to wait in the line here, but I wonder what this one's going to be for a challenge. I see some kind of poles with hooks on it over there.
You gotta throw it and hit it on the
Okay, throw for the bag. Bottom one is 5 points, middle one is 10 points, the top one is 15 points. So go wing it over there and see if you can get it on one of those pins.
Nope.
Try.
They're all golf balls. Yep.
Whoa!
Oh, man.
Yeah, that'll teach you.
No.
That's okay, buddy.
Rolling up onto checkpoint 2. Okay, show the camera. Hold it up. Thank you.
Hold the card. Thanks.
We'll let you do the next one, okay?
How about a spoon? Have you got a spoon in there?
Oh, we got a kid's play spoon.
Andy, have you found 3?
Pack a lunch?
We left
They
it all
got
in
snack
camp, didn't we?
bags.
They just got their snack bags.
That'll work. Something to kill the pain.
We got dog food for their lunch, for the dogs.
Yeah, go over here. Just grab her. You're going to grab 2 ducks to total 30 points.
Or they may total less.
Yeah. Or less. The goal is 30 points. Just grab 2 ducks. Grab it for the bucket.
There you go.
One. Thank you.
Perfect.
Yep.
Give that back to Mom. And you guys have a ball.
That's you, partner. 2, all right. 2? 10.
10 points. He got 2. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Good, how are you?
Good. Okay, scorecard, please. How many little ones we got back there?
3.
Everybody drawing a duck.
Bailey's guy knows.
Oh, you know what? I'll draw it this time.
I love this duck. Look at that, dude.
Number 5.
Don't look at him, just draw him. Bonus question. Do you have a first aid kit or something first aid related?
Yeah, I got like one of those trauma kits,
Perfect. That'll work.
if that counts.
It does. It does. Actually, duct tape or anything else.
Oh, nice.
You ever use them for Band-Aids?
I use electrical tape.
So do I. doesn't take the skin with it.
Sweet.
That is it, guys.
Made it to checkpoint 4, guys.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Fun? Find all the fleas?
Oh yeah, we've been looking for them.
Find all the fleas?
Hey, Sky Bailey, calm down.
So, for this game, I'm going to put a chalk mark right here at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
And you're going to drive forward 1 revolution. And wherever the chalk stops at, you get these points.
Okay.
If you're on the road, 0.
Okay, sounds good.
And you can't peek out the window.
Okay, just look straight ahead.
No.
Yep.
I could do that.
Calculate the math in your head right now of your
Oh,
face,
am I ready to go?
diameter, and
Ready to go?
yep, use that.
Right there.
20.
I'd say 5 o'clock. That was pretty good.
You went from here all the way around to 20.
I was thinking, I'm like, I got a 38-inch tall tire.
Haley, pick
Draw
cards.
something down deep.
Dig into it.
And then show the camera, sis.
3 of hearts.
Good job, thank you.
Hey, how we doing?
Good, how are you doing?
You know, it's a beautiful day. How's things in the back seat? You guys all good back there?
So the little kid in the middle seat,
Yeah.
I want to let her draw the card this
Oh, that
time.
is perfectly fine.
Okay, Lexi, you gonna draw the card?
All right, Lexi.
Okay,
Pick one. Pick one and hold it up and show them.
Grab one.
One card.
Grab it.
Grab it. Okay, show us.
That's the card. That's the perfect one. That one too.
Yeah, they're both the same number.
There you go.
Oh, I'll get it.
All right, let me get that filled out. Okay. In what song is Carrie Underwood singing about keying the side of his 4-wheel drive?
Before he cheats.
Love it. Bonus
Nice.
points if you sing.
Oh,
Do
God,
it.
no.
Come on. No?
Come on, come on. I dug my key into the side of a
four-wheel.
brand new
I
souped
love
up
it.
4-wheel
I
drive.
love it.
Carved my name into his leather seats. That's going on YouTube.
I love that. He's gonna take care of you up there. You guys want
Alrighty.
some cookies?
Yes.
All right.
Oh,
Don't go far.
cookies.
Hey, you try to throw them into the hula hoop, sisters.
All right, about right there, probably.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on.
The big hoop of 5 points.
Little harder and a little higher, okay? Oh, nice. That's okay. Nice try, sis. Hey, at least you're having fun, right? That's pretty good. is one of the Rovers, what you got to do is you have to chase them down in the sand, and you need to get one guy to park in front of him and a guy to park behind him, because if you don't, he can literally jump in his rig and take off on you. So you have to kind of pin him in to get this checkpoint. There's 2 of them out here. I still got to find which one the other rig is. Hand him your paperwork. Good job.
Do you have a tow strap with you?
You know that rope that's in the back of the Jeep, the orange one? So say yes.
Do you have a fire extinguisher?
You know that white one that's under mommy's seat? Okay, tell him. Yep.
Very good.
It was 94 to 96, and I fucking went in the middle, and he was like, nope.
And then you get to draw it this time. Pick a good one. Pick down deeper. Pick like from the middle of the stack. Oh, okay.
That's okay.
We'll take it.
Four's here, 6 is going to be actual offer.
Sweet deal. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, guys. Okay, this is you, bud. Hand him the paperwork. It's all you.
What is that? Is that one of them 360 cameras?
It is.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm doing it for my YouTube channel.
Right.
I go, I want to get Sand Flea out there, and why not?
Right, cool.
Okay, you ready? Pay attention.
You pick a card.
And then show the camera too. Perfect. Whatever that was, perfect. There you go. Show the camera.
The other one.
Queen.
That works.
Okay, can I have it back? Thank you.
Queen of Diamonds, nicely done. Okay, he's probably going to ask you questions, so try your hardest.
I probably don't know.
You might know him.
All right. Do you have a Sam Flea koozie from 2005 or 2010?
I do not have
Do you
one.
have a Sam Flea rally?
I do not. I've never gotten the rally ball.
That one was in 2000.
No, this is only our 2nd year.
Oh, dang.
Last year was our 1st year.
All right. What year was the last year of the square headlights in the Jeep Wrangler?
It's a year in the 90s probably, so guess something in the 90s. 90 what? Pick a second number.
I don't know.
Just pick a number 1 through 10. Hurry up.
7?
97.
In 1996, was there a YJ or TJ vehicle manufactured?
96? I think it was. I'm going to go with yes.
Hate it when that happens.
Say yes.
Yes?
Okay, I'll give it no. You don't want yes.
Say no.
I'll give it to you. No, there wasn't.
Thank
Neither
you.
one.
All
In
right.
between.
So let's put this somewhere on the Jeep and leave it in there.
1, 2, 6. However! Oh, you guys. I said 6. That was a good one. On the count of 3. Ready. Set. 3. Oh, that wasn't fair. We gotta redo that. Oh, we gotta redo that. I'm so sorry. Alright, line up again. We're gonna redo that.